Introducing XFORM Design Studio, your one-stop solution for interior design and renovation. With over 15 years of experience, our team of experts is dedicated to providing exceptional quality and customer satisfaction. We take a collaborative approach to design, working closely with you to create a space that is not only beautiful, but functional and reflective of your personality. Our extensive experience in managing high-rise residential projects ensures every detail is carefully crafted to perfection. Our portfolio showcases a wide range of successful projects, from small-scale renovations to large-scale design and build projects. We work with skilled subcontractors to ensure every detail is carefully crafted to perfection, and our clients are always delighted with the results. At XFORM Design Studio, we believe that every home should reflect the unique personalities and lifestyles of its owners. Ready to transform your home? Visit our website to learn more about our services and start your renovation journey today. At XFORM Design Studio, we design to inspire.